guessing that sound is about normal, what you get on one of these inverter generators. It might be louder than some. I don't have a decibel meter, but I have a 1500 watt load on it. So I'm going to go over now and take the load off so you can hear what it sounds like for the idle. See, I'm not even quite 6 feet away from it, and when it goes to the idle, it's a lot quieter. Of course, they always get louder when they have to rev up, but this is the first test and run of it, and we're going to try it with our Airstream with the 2 air conditioners. I'm sure it'll run at least one of them. We're going to have a soft start put on the 1500. I mean, I'm sorry, the 15,000K. Air conditioner on it. The other one's a 13.5 BTU. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty confident it'll run the one with the soft start anyway. So that would really be good for us. And so that's the maXpeedingrods 3500 watt. Gets its 3000 running watts and peaks out at 3500. I believe that's how it goes. Anyway, this is our new generator, and I'll fire this heater back up again. And now you can probably barely hear me, so I'm standing pretty close to it though, in all fairness. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.